Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can delete all comments in a PDF file at once. Let's begin. So let's make this very simple and straightforward. Open up your Adobe Acrobat, open your PDF document. From here, click on this section to reveal or show the comments. Select one comment, all right? Select one, and then scroll all the way down to the last comment you can see on your PDF document. Hold the shift button and click on the last comment. That way it will select every single comment on your PDF file. Right click, then simply click on the delete button. And there you go. You have successfully deleted all comments on your PDF document at once. Instead of selecting each and every single comment, you can do this all in one go. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.